Hello everybody. Let me very briefly introduce myself. My name is Markus Frischhut, Jean Monnet Professor and Study Coordinator EU Law at MCI. How did I get into contact with EU law? In this field of EU law, I have been teaching and researching for many years on various questions of EU law, giving guest speeches at international universities and conferences. Already during my exchange semester as a student in Strasbourg, I also did an internship in the European Parliament, and that is when I got fascinated by EU law, so this spirit of working together at international level and the different languages involved. I am a very curious person, and thus I very much enjoy researching on new topics in order to pass on this knowledge and discuss it with the younger generation. This research has resulted in various academic articles and books, such as this one on the ethical spirit of EU law, a book financed by the European Commission and thus available open access, that is to say free of charge. What is the current framework of my activities? Also, this Jean Monnet Chair on Ethics and Values is kindly supported by the European Union under its Erasmus Plus program. Named according to the founding father of the EU, this chair offers courses for students and also provides EU-related information in open events to the wider public, such as pupils at schools. Let me give you one example how this could look like. Different forms of digitalization, such as artificial intelligence, have already changed our life and will further change it in the future. Now, law often lags behind in this regard and is not able to offer adequate solutions for these challenges and questions. That is why in an increasing way values and ethical principles are invoked in order to provide these adequate answers. This research conducted within this chair is disseminated to the wider public in a course called EU Values and Digitalization. This course is freely available online. If you're interested in these topics and activities, please find further information on the website of this chair.